Almost 5 weeks ago, this little man was born, Hunter David Forward, the latest addition to the small town drifter family. And while his mum was in labour, not pushing him out, but early stages of labour, I thought to myself, this guy needs a car. But he couldn't drive the LS-13, that's too much power and it's not a real good car to learn in. So, while he was getting ready to come out, I bought him this. That's right, people. He's Australia's most famous drift car. And it is gonna be his one day. I might drive it a little bit though. So make sure you like and subscribe so that you can keep up to date with all the stuff that we're doing with the LS-13 and the 8.6. It's going to be a exciting year coming up, a good off season with a lot of really cool things to come, but I can't talk about it too much. But the 8.6 is here, needs a little bit of work, but it will be on the track soon. So come say g'day. Say bye. Bye. You love drifting? Yes, I love drifting. It's the best thing in the world. I'm gonna be a drifting champion. Aren't ya? Yeah.